Where are you from?
DC, man.
See now. Okay. What do you do now?
What I do, I'm a high school student.
Oh, that's good. So, if you don't mind, actually, I want to talk with you few minutes. Could you tell me few minutes? I want to talk.
Okay,
Okay, actually, I am learning in English, so that's why I came here. I want to practice in English with you. So, if you give me few time, if you give me any inspiration and give me any suggestion, how can I improve my speaking English?
I got you. Uh, Let me think. Do you use any apps
What kind of apps?
like Duolingo or Redstone or
Duolingo. I know Duolingo. Yes, I don't know.
okay, so that's good using Duolingo. It is also good that you're talking to people in English. That helps
Yeah,
you.
yeah, sure. So,
Uh,
yeah, yeah. Okay, tell me.
I'm just thinking.
Okay.
My bad.
Doesn't matter. Okay. So, actually, where is it? It is your country, Virgin Island. It's Island, US Island.
U.S. Island.
In your
Oh,
country,
it says U.S. Island.
island.
Yes, the S is silent.
Okay, okay, okay. As a silent.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I got it.
U.S. Island. Yeah, I'm on the U.S. territories. You know there.
Oh, that's good. So, what are you doing now?
What am I doing now?
Now, what are you doing?
Uh, I'm studying as a student.
Study now. Study. So, what time is it now in your country?
Oh, what time is it? It's
Yeah,
10:30 p.m.
10 p.m.
Yep.
It's a, oh my God, it's a big difference. My country is 8:30 in morning a.m.
What?
Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa, it's a big difference. Do you know?
Yeah, that is a big difference.
Oh yeah. So it is your house or your rent house? What is
The house that I'm in,
its own house or rent house?
it's a rent house.
Rent house. So
Yeah.
basically, where is family?
Inside of the rent house. I'm coming
Oh,
down to St. Croix,
okay,
but
that's good.
I'm originally from DC.
BC. So do you have parents?
I do.
Oh yes, you are really lucky man because I lost my parents many years ago.
Yes, I understand. I am a very lucky man.
Yeah, of course.
I have to take advantage of my privileges.
Sure. Okay, that's good. So actually, it's doesn't matter, but you should respect your parents definitely because they are have big responsibility for us. So
I
we
agree.
should do. Yeah, sure. We should take care of them. So could you tell me, you study college or varsity?
Huh?
Where is you study college or varsity? University.
I want to I want to study philosophy. I think that's the question you're asking.
Philosophy. Actually, college or yeah, varsity. Where is you study?
What do you mean?
University. Do you know university or college?
Varsity?
Yeah,
Huh?
university.
Oh,
It's
university. I
university.
apologize.
Yeah.
Yeah. University. I want to go to Ivy League schools, and
Oh, yeah, that's good.
I want to be able to go to I think Harvard at one point.
Oh, that's good. Do you know where I am from?
It says you're from Bangladesh, but I don't.
Bangladesh. Do you know Bangladesh?
No, I don't actually.
Really?
Yeah, United States. They don't really teach about other countries.
Okay, that's. Can you show your face? I can't see you properly because it's a request option. Oh, that's good. Are you? Okay, okay. Then when it's very beautiful, lucky. So where is it? If hat, it's cap look like it's
It's a
yeah.
yeah, it's like a scarf. It protects my hair.
Oh, it protects my. Your hair be long?
Yes.
Oh, you. I really like hair style. Really.
Thank you.
Thank you. Really. Uh, actually, yeah. In do you know my country? It's you don't know about
I
my
don't know.
country? Oh my God! I can't believe it. It's his land person Ireland have someone he's don't know my country. It's very upset for me because
Really?
in actually, do you know India?
I do.
India near of India, it's country near of neighbor of India in my Bangladesh.
Okay.
It's neighbor of India.
Okay.
So, sir, dear, if you don't mind, actually, I want to ask you something. So, what is your future plan? Because you are a student, you study hardly.
My future plan. I want to be able. I haven't. I want to be able to be an activist. I want to speak out for people's rights.
Oh, good. That's good. I wish you can achieve your goal. Okay.
What's your goal?
Actually, my goal is it is actually I have a lot of dreams. So also I have a lot of financial problems. So that's why I can't fulfill my dream in my whole life. Actually, a lot of time I wasted a lot of time. Actually, I didn't study properly. I am not any a high level educated person. Just I have a job as well as I'm learning in English. And part time I am working social media. It's digital marketing.
Right.
And I have a YouTube channel. So if you don't mind, now I record this conversation. I want to upload this social media. If you don't mind,
Uh,
you don't
do I
have
have social?
you have any problem
Doing what?
because this conversation I want to record it.
Record the conversation?
G, yes.
Ah, man.
Okay. Any problem?
That,
Is you any
that,
problem?
nah, man. I'm all right.
Okay, no, thank you so much, dear. So also I have some follower, so they are learning English like me. So could you tell me about my follower, how we can improve our speaking English easily and faster?
Talking to English speakers is definitely one that you should definitely do. Um, I want to say,
You can
hmm,
thinking, no problem. You can take a time. You can take a time. Doesn't matter. I'm waiting for you.
okay. I'm also trying to learn Spanish. So
Spanish? Oh,
yeah, so this would help me if I like break down
oh
the
my.
process.
Yes, sure.
So